caught a fish on the troll. Didn't feel like it's too big though. I'll take anything at this point. First fish in like 3 days. Got a little pull, but had a nice little run, which you missed most of because I didn't have my GoPro on. Not too bad actually. Wouldn't say it's a keeper, that's for sure. We will get a quick measure since I haven't caught anything in a while and see what we got if it doesn't fall off first. Maybe. Just a little quick measure. Not bad for the first fish of the day. Let's hope that continued. So not sure if it's making a difference, but already I switched to a 1/4 ounce jig head with a small tiny paddle tail. The last couple days I had been using this, which is a little bit bigger, and heard some folks on Facebook mention that if you cut it smaller you might have more luck. So we'll see if it continues throughout the day, but that may have been why I caught that specific fish. So onward to Thomas Point. Windy out. This is the app I use. So I use Fish Weather is the app I use, and it says we're at about 1430, so we're looking at about 9 miles an hour, 10 to 11 mile an hour gusts. I'll have a tutorial if anybody's interested. Please make a comment to this video and I'll do a little quick tutorial on what this app offers. This is free. This specific app is free, Fish Weather. So I'll give you a quick tutorial if you like, and make a video on that. Not sure if you can see it yet. Getting close to the lighthouse. Probably about 3/4 of the way there, although it feels like it's closer. Alright, we're at the lighthouse. No boats to be seen, so we don't know if that's good or bad. I guess we'll find out. And the bird just left, so he's obviously starving, and there's nothing here to eat. Now we'll just take a quick trip around, see if there's anything on each side. All blue, no fish. Well, at least a pretty sight, I guess.